Hi friends, welcome to Tasty Thursdays. This week for Space Week, we are making galaxy cupcake icing. This recipe doesn't go over making the actual cupcake, but that is listed in the description below as well. I hope that you follow along in making some galaxy icing. Let's get started. For a list of all of the ingredients, check the description below. We're going to go over all of the different things that you see in front of you as we move along in our recipe. The first thing that we're going to be doing is mixing 1 cup of softened butter with 2 cups of powdered sugar. Quick tip, if your butter is a little bit cold still, sometimes you can take a cheese grater and grate your butter, and that helps to mix it together. I'm going to be mixing this with a hand mixer. You can use either a stand mixer or you can use a fork as well to mix it. It just might take a little bit longer to mix. As your butter and sugar are mixed together, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of milk. This will just help because sometimes just doing these 2, butter and sugar together, it can be a pretty stiff icing and you just want to loosen it up a little bit. Make it a little bit easier to work with. Let's mix those. After we're all done mixing the vanilla and the milk into our mixture, then we can take out that icing and divide it in however many colors you want. So I'm going to be doing 2 different colors. If you want 3, then you're going to need 3 different bowls. Spatula is a really handy tool for this, for making sure that we're getting all of that icing out. So you want to be thinking about different colors that you would find in your galaxy. So my colors that I've chosen to work with are blue and purple. With using food coloring, we're only going to want to add a couple squeezes of the color and then see what it looks like. So we're going to mix that in now. You can also, if you want to have some white for your cupcakes, then you wouldn't add any of this food coloring to that section of the icing or to that bowl. And that would just stay as white. So mix, mix, mix those colors in, and then we can carry on to our next step. Once your colors are all mixed and you're happy with the colors that you have, then we can move on to the actual piping and putting them in bags. So I have these bags that are used for decorating and putting icing on. So they're triangles, but if you don't have these at home, you can always use Ziploc bags, and then you're just cutting a corner out of the bag and starting to roll it down and pushing that icing to that corner that you've cut. Or you can also take parchment paper. So you take parchment paper, you're gonna fold it over to make sure it's a square. If it's not a square, you can cut that little bit of extra as well. And then there are 2, the side that's completely open, that's gonna be our tip there, okay? So we're going from one of the corners where it's folded and it's closed, and we're just starting to roll, keeping one side tight and one side a little bit looser. Sometimes I find it easier to practice this using a piece of paper. And you just roll, 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 keeping one side loose and one side tight. And then you'll see that you have a little opening on one side and then a section where you can fill your bag too. And that's another way that you can create a piping bag just out of parchment paper too. All right, let's fill these bags. Okay, and I am squeezing these icing bits down, bringing them closer to that tip. But as you can see, there's a lot of air that started to build up here because of our icing being in the way. But we need to keep moving that icing down. So we're actually gonna cut 2 holes, or 1 hole in each bag, just at the tip, to release that air so that we can keep moving it down. Sometimes it helps if you roll the back of it up so that you can squeeze it down, but then also you make sure that it's not coming out of the back. Okay, so we're gonna get it really close to the top. I'm using my muscles a little bit to move it along. Let's do the same thing on this side. So now I'm gonna use a 3rd bag. I'm sliding this guy to the end, my tip. If you don't have one at home, that's okay too. Mine has a star on it. Now I can slide these guys in, both of them, making sure that they're kind of even. Okay, now we can begin icing our cupcakes. Now I'm starting from the outside of the cupcake. You can see I'm using both hands. You might need your muscles a little bit. If this is too tricky, moving it through one of the piping spouts, then you can always just do one color at a time too. It's a lot of icing that you're trying to move and squeeze through, but it creates a kind of cool design too, I think. And then we're just moving in, kind of doing a snake formation, and you can see both colors are coming out at the same time. And there you have it. That's doing a galaxy cupcake. Thanks for watching as we made some galaxy icing for our galaxy cupcakes for Tasty Thursday and Space Week. Be sure to check out tomorrow's video for Mindfulness Fridays. Enjoy your cupcakes. Bye guys!